Hello everyone and welcome to my learning channel. In today's video I'm gonna make you a special edition video. I'm gonna show you how to play Counter-Strike 1.6 for free in your browser. Let's see how to do that. Alright, so open your browser, any browser doesn't matter, and type play CS on your browser. Press enter. Go to the game CS 1.6 Counter-Strike Online free. First one, play. Let's go here to see what's going on. And you go to this page. It's like this: players online 1801, English language. I don't need help. I press refresh here to have all servers, and you can connect live to the blue ones. All blue are live. If you try to connect to a gray one, you're not gonna be able to connect. So let's try to connect to Russia. To Russia, press connect, and this is happening. It's loading your game in your browser. You press here full screen, and boom! Let's play classic The Dust 2. If you remember, it was too much fun. It is now back. It is back. It is back. Let's wait a little until it's charged completely. Pick terrorist or counter terrorist. Let's pick auto select, and here we go. Oops. Let's make it little full screen to see how it will go. And there you go. Thank you for watching. Have fun with the new Counter-Strike in browser. See you in the next one. Bye.